Alright, back again. Basically I already started the download of box number 1, so I'll take a look. It's now 7:31, so 2 minutes for me to quick hop on YouTube and get it started download. So with that being said, let's go on to box 2. As you can tell, the next box break will be on March 4th, so just 2 days from now, another 2-box break. But moving on, let's get into this one. So 5 hits on the first box. Let's hope for several more here. So, empty box. Alright, good luck to everyone. Buccaneers, LeGarrette Blount. Raiders, Darren McFadden. Rookie roll call, Chargers, Corey Liggett. That's a serial numbered card, 97 of 100. So, rookie roll call, serial numbered. Jags, Mercedes Lewis. Cardinals, Kevin Cole. Be separate. So to keep it in the trend with last break, hopefully there's 6 autographs on this one. Moving on, AP with the Vikings, Peyton Manning with the Colts, legendary contenders, Alan Page, non-serial number for the Vikings, Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch, Miles Austin, Cowboys. Buccaneers, you got Mike Williams. Raiders, Carson Palmer. Rookie roll call, Aldon Smith, 49ers. No serial number, I believe that's the second one. Mark Sanchez with the Jets. And for the Jags, Maurice Jones-Drew. Alright, Brandon Marshall with the Dolphins. Santana Moss with the Redskins. Oh, there we go. First hit. Giants. Mark Herschelick, linebacker for the Giants. It's a sticker autograph. Who picked up the Giants? Kathleen. Congratulations. You might be in contact with Dave from Daily Box Breaks. I know he's a huge Giants fan, but I'm assuming you are as well because you bought the team. Congratulations there to Kathleen. So that's our first hit. Larry Fitzgerald with the Cardinals. Philip Rivers, Chargers. Bengals. Ray Maluga. Yeah. Never going to get that right, I don't think. Matt Ryan with the Falcons. Draft class for the Browns. You got Greg Linnell and Jordan Cameron. Non-serial number. Chad Ochocinco, Patriots. Marion Barber, Bears. And it's looking good on everything. Everything should hopefully get shipped off tomorrow. Moving on, we got Steven Jackson with the Rams. Deshaun Jackson, the Eagles. Who's got the Chargers? Chargers. Michael K. Believe it or not, man, that is some serious card right there. Let's set these down for a second. So this is, as you can tell, a printing plate of Vincent Brown rookie card. Yellow plate, 1 of 1. So Michael K. That's, I think, 3 hits now. I'll make sure to put that in a special protector for you, Mike. Nice on-card printing plate, yellow, for Vincent Brown of the Chargers. Congratulations. That's a nice hit. Browns got Peyton Hillis. For the Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Well, Mike, have to say that you really can't just be disappointed today. 3 hits so far for you. Ravens, Lee Evans. Jermichael Finley with the Packers. Rookie Contender of the Year, Buccaneers, Mason Foster, non-serial numbered. Titans, Kenny Britt and Vernon Davis, 49ers. Wow, that's a sweet looking card. Bengals, Andre Caldwell. Michael Jenkins, Vikings. There you go. Falcons, Jaquez Rogers, sticker autograph. Who picked up the Falcons? Ryan, there you go, man. Congratulations. So sticker autograph. Jaquez Rogers, running back for the Falcons. Alright, No Shamarino with the Broncos. Sidney Rice, Seahawks. Colts, we got Reggie Wayne. Beanie Wells with the Cardinals. Titans, Jake Locker and Jamie Harper. Rookie draft class. Non-serial numbered. Cowboys, we got Tony Romo. And with the Jets, Antonio Holmes. Keep digging on this right side, that seems to be on fire. Raiders, Michael Irvin. Or excuse me, Michael Bush. Chad Henne with the Dolphins. Oh, here we go. Another hit for the Texans. J.J. Watt. Sticker auto. Texans going to Brandon. Congratulations, man. Sticker auto for you. Defensive end. Nice hit. Lions, Matt Stafford. And for the 49ers, Alex Smith. We still got a whole lot of box to go, and we already got some really good hits so far, so let's keep that going. For some reason, none of these packs want to open correctly either. Redskins, Hightower. Ben Watson with the Browns. Torrey Smith, the Ravens. Rookie Contender of the Year card, non-serial numbered. Vincent Jackson, Chargers. And Guillaume Branch, Patriots. What is up with these packs? Sometimes they just open so easy. Michael Turner with the Falcons. Mike Thomas, Jags. Rookie playoff ticket for the Eagles, Stanley Havili. That's serial numbered 7 of 99. Who picked up the Eagles this evening? Ryan W. Another hit for you. Stanley Havili rookie playoff ticket. Bears, Matt Forte. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Ravens, Ray Rice. Super Bowl ticket for the Steelers, John Stallworth. Non-serial number. John Beeson, Panthers. Matt Hasselbeck, Titans. For the Bills, Steve Johnson. D'Anville Hall with the Skins. Super Bowl ticket, Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. No serial number. Malcolm Floyd with the Chargers. Reggie Bush, Dolphins. Bengals, we got Cedric Benson. Kansas City Chiefs, we got Dwayne Bowe. Legendary Contenders, Bo Jackson with the Raiders. Non-serial numbered. Bears, Jay Cutler. Browns, Colt McCoy. What a golden ticket. I think that would make everyone happy. I mean, a printing plate you really can't go wrong with. But Sam Bradford, the Rams. Mario Manningham, Giants. Rookie roll call for the Rams. Lance Kendricks, non-serial numbered. Falcons, Roddy White. Chris Johnson, Titans. Ravens, Joe Flacco. Greg Jennings with Packers. Who got another hit? Let's find out. Bills. Who picked up the Bills? Jim. So Jim picks up the Bills. Linebacker Chris White, sticker autograph. Right there. Congratulations there, Jim. By the time I get my new camera, that thing's going to zoom in like no one's business, but nice looking card. Frank Gore with the Niners, Wes Welker, Patriots. Texans, we got Matt Schaub. Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. Chiefs, rookie draft class, Jonathan Baldwin and Ricky Stanzi. Non-serial number. Lions, Jafid Best, and Steelers, Mendenhall. Still quite a few packs left. Let's see what else we got in here. Chiefs, Matt Castle. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Oh, look at that. I wasn't even paying attention. So whoever picked up the Lions, Mikel LeSure, rookie ink. Talk about a box here, guys. Who picked up the Lions? Is that another single? Lions going to Ryan. Again, another phenomenal hit for Ryan. I don't believe these are numbered, but they are definitely going to be some type of short print. Mikel LeSure, the Lions, rookie ink. Congratulations. Drew Brees, the Saints. Kyle Orton, Chiefs. Talk about a box. Rookie ink printing plate. Oh, a good break. Michael Vick with the Eagles. Marquis Colson, Saints. Chicago Bears, Dane Sazenbacher, Rookie of the Year Contenders. I think that's the second of those. Non-serial numbered. Seahawks, Tavares Jackson. And Giants, Eli Manning, Mr. MVP. Broncos, Willie McGahee. Danny Amendola, the Rams. Hakeem Nicks, the Giants. Sean Green, Jets. Nong Kong Su, the Lions. Ravens, Anquan Bolden. Aaron Rodgers, the Packers. Ahmad Bradshaw, Giants. Super Bowl ticket, non-numbered. Andre Johnson with the Texans. And for the Cowboys, Des Bryant. Texans, Arian Foster. Saints, Pierre Thomas. Legendary contenders for the Jets, Don Maynard again. Non-serial number. Tom Brady for the Patriots, and Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Alright guys, last pack. I think so far got some really decent hits. Alright, Jamal Charles with the Chiefs. Fred Jackson, the Bills. Rookie roll call, Cam Newton. Non-serial numbered. Mike Wallace with the Steelers. Steve Smith, Panthers. Alright guys, it's box number 2. There will be one quick video after this. Basically I'll do a recap, I'll break it down in between individual buyers here, show you your hits, and they'll all be packaged up and ready to go, and we'll ship those out tomorrow. Alright, thanks everyone, and LA Sports Cards here, and I will see you guys soon for the next break.